Let's do this. This looks very interesting.
Nice mirror. What do you think?
See the back of it. How do you hang it?
Scrap stuff. It's like there's a nice pair of running shoes on
Did you see these sunflower seeds? That's trash? What is this here? Is this a shelf?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why not? You don't think we could use it for like food and stuff in the kitchen?
No, we got room for that. No, it's too big and bulky. I'll tell you, got too much room in the truck. I like that shade though. Pretty cool. It's got whiskey all over it.
Oh.
You want?
I like the bottom part. I don't really care for the shade because it's got all that on there, but I got a shade at home.
I'll grab it.
It does.
Yeah, probably does.
It's a bulb. It looks all dirty and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll clean this up. And I got a really pretty shade.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll grab it and put it in the truck.
Yeah, just need to dust it off.
Yeah.
What is this?
Hey, it's a scale. Need another scale? There's a scale.
Cool. Yeah, those numbers are big.
Yeah, I think those are just posters or something.
Let's open it. See what it is.
Oh, yeah, it's all old posters and stuff. Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, they're like home sports cars and stuff. How
Yeah.
would these be for a workout room? No?
Nah.
You don't like them?
Nah.
None of them?
Nah.
Did you see them? Really? Why?
Nah, it's fine. I don't want to.
All right.
Same thing.
It's an empty box.
Oh.
Empty tube. It's an empty tube.
Yeah.
It says
Trash, it looks like. A lamp. It's like a lamp. Yeah, it's all broken apart. It's good for scrap. Here.
Want to take it for scrap?
This right here, that right there now.
Okay.
It's like the same thing we just got. Whatever. They'll put these on the marketplace and sell them, really.
Yeah, it's possible. Hey, look at these. Yeah, these are awesome. I love these. Slides are too cool. I want these. We each got one. We're sledding this weekend. This winter. Oh wait, look at this too. What are these?
Yeah, I need them.
What are, oh, okay.
Let's go to the skis. You ever been snow skiing? One time I skied.
No, I've been water skiing. A couple times water skiing. Water skiing's fun. I've never been snow skiing. What is this?
It's put your water hose in. How was mine?
We probably could, yeah. I can grab a couple, maybe. Yeah, I can grab a couple of these.
pretty good. I have to open it up and see.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah, you put your water hose in there or whatever. I wonder if that works. Might be better than the one we got.
I might.
Yeah.
What are these?
Oh, well, that's so sad.
What is this here?
Screw stand. I don't know if it's out here. What size is that bad food?
Which one? Ours?
No, the one in the other room.
Oh, the one in the other room?
Size or something.
Yeah.
We got them rails.
I don't think it's a queen.
No, this ain't no queen. This is
No, I mean, I bet the bed.
Yeah.
At, in the guest room.
Yeah, we got the rails and stuff.
I could always put it to the road if it don't work. Yeah. I like those. I can use this. What are those? What are those? Did you see that thing over there?
Yeah, I got one.
Oh, okay.
Give you my tomorrow.